Waterfalls tumble from towering cliffs. Glaciers rest like sleeping giants. Glimmering icebergs wash ashore like diamonds scattered by the sea. This isn't just a journey through landscapes. It's a journey through stories written by nature itself. Come with me. Let's explore the land of contrasts, carved by fire and shaped by ice. The untamed heart, South Iceland. Good morning from Hela. It's day 2 of our Iceland adventure and we are starting the day here at Strakta Hotel. Super cozy, great views and perfect base to explore the south. Now we are heading towards one of the Iceland's most iconic waterfalls. A waterfall you don't just see but walk through. Water cascading from 60 meters above, mist dancing in the air, and a path that takes you behind the curtain of water itself. Welcome to Seljalandsfoss. This place feels like nature's own theatre, where every angle tells a new story. Let's go get soaked. What makes this one really special is that you can actually walk behind the waterfall. It's like stepping into a secret cave with water crashing all around you. Our next stop, we are heading to the iconic 60 meters of pure power crashing down the ancient cliffs. But on the way, we are making a quick stop to check out this beautiful place, Rutshellir Cave. This cave is a hidden gem full of history and Icelandic folklore. It's believed to be one of the Iceland's oldest man-made caves. And there's a local legend that says it was once home to a giant named Rutur. Whether that's true or not, who knows, but it definitely adds to the mystery. You know, we can't resist stopping when we see something interesting like this. But next stop, epic waterfall incoming. 60 meters of pure power crashing down with endless force. Mist on your face. Pure Icelandic magic. Skógafoss. It's beautiful, not just because of how it looks, but because of how it makes you feel. surrounded by lush green cliffs and Iceland's rugged landscape. Standing here feels like stepping into the middle of an epic story, ancient, wild, and alive. It's haunting, surreal, and strangely beautiful, like a scene from another planet. No roads, no signs of life, just endless volcanic sand and this lonely broken fuselage. Seljalandsfoss Waterfall. This is the remains of a US Navy DC-3 aircraft that crash landed here back in 1973. Luckily, everyone on board survived. The story goes that the plane ran out of fuel, though later it was said to be a fuel mismanagement issue. The walk is long, but if you don't feel like walking the full 4 kilometers to the plane wreck, there is actually a shuttle bus service available here. It's a paid service, but honestly totally worth it. If you plan to walk here on the black sand, then make sure you wear a comfy shoes and get dressed up in layers. The contrast between the wreck and the dark sands is absolutely dramatic. We are traveling to our next spot, the place where land meets the roaring Atlantic. Jagged cliffs rise like ancient guardians, carved by wind and waves over centuries. Dryholaey. Geological fact: Dryholaey formed during volcanic eruption about 100,000 years ago. Its black basalt cliffs a testament to Iceland's fiery origins. The lighthouse here was built in 1910 and guides the ships through the often treacherous waters of the Atlantic. The name Dryholaey means Door Hill Island, referring to the natural stone arch you see here. This area is also a key nesting site for the puffins during the summer months. Standing here, you get a true sense of nature's unstoppable forces: wind, water, and fire, shaping this breathtaking landscape. Walking here feels like stepping into a storybook, where nature's raw power meets ancient folklore, creating a landscape that's as mysterious as it is beautiful. Welcome to Iceland's famous black sand beach, Reynisfjara. Here, volcanic sands stretch endlessly beneath stormy skies. Jagged basalt columns rise like ancient sentinels, standing guard over the crashing Atlantic waves. The sea here is powerful and unpredictable, a reminder of nature's raw and untamed beauty. Here, volcanic sands stretch endlessly beneath stormy skies. Jagged basalt columns rise like ancient sentinels, standing guard over the crashing Atlantic waves. The sea here is powerful and unpredictable, a reminder of nature's raw and untamed beauty. We are making our way to one of the southernmost spots in Iceland. Nestled at the edge of the world, this village whispers tales of wild Icelandic coast. The village Vik. This little village might be small, but it's packed with charm, and one of the highlights here is the beautiful Vik Church, perched on a hill with panoramic views of the village and the coastline. Above it all, the Vik Church stands sentinel, its red roof a beacon against the rugged landscape and endless skies. From this hill, you see the meeting of land, sea and sky, a quiet moment of beauty in a land of raw power. The church's simple architecture and striking red roof make it a perfect photo spot, especially with the dramatic Icelandic landscape all around. Vik offers a delightful blend of natural beauty and cozy accommodations. Whether you're seeking a cozy meal with traditional Icelandic flavors or a comfortable place to rest after exploring the stunning landscapes, Vik has something to offer. It's a day 3 in the land of ice and fire. Leaving the rugged coast and beautiful Vik village behind, we are now driving towards one of the Iceland's most magical places. Ancient icebergs drift silently across crystal clear waters, slowly melting into the Atlantic. A stunning lake filled with icebergs. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. These icebergs slowly drift through the lagoon, some as old as thousands of years, glowing in shades of bright blue and pristine white. We are about to hop on this amphibian boat for a tour right among the icebergs. It's chilly, it's magical, and I honestly can't wait to get closer to that glacial beauty. We are on an amphibian boat, which means it drives on land and floats on water. As we slowly cruise into the lagoon, look at how clear the water is. And those icebergs, some of them are hundreds, even thousands of years old. It's honestly surreal. The colors range from bright white to deep glossy blue. Our guide told us that the bluer the ice, the older and denser it is. Some of these have such sharp, sculpted shapes, like floating ice sculptures made by nature.
We are driving right now. Honestly, about 10%
Look what I'm holding. This is a piece of ancient glacial ice. It's crystal clear and the ice is over 1,000 years old. If you are lucky, you might even spot a seal or two swimming around or resting on an iceberg. This place feels like stepping into another world, peaceful, icy, and incredibly alive at the same time. Standing here, you witness the incredible power of nature. Ice, water, and time sculpting a landscape that feels both ancient and alive. Just across the Glacier Lagoon, you'll find Diamond Beach. This is where icebergs from Jökulsárlón wash ashore, scattered like sparkling jewels across the black sand. Each chunk of ice glistens in the sunlight, carved by nature into shapes that look like diamonds, crystals, and sculptures. The contrast of crystal clear ice against jet black sand is honestly otherworldly. This place is like a living postcard. If you ever visit Iceland, don't miss Diamond Beach. It's not just beautiful, it's unforgettable. We are heading back from Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, but we just had to pull over for this view. This is one of many glaciers flowing from Vatnajökull, Europe's largest ice cap. Isn't it stunning? That icy wall just looks massive. These glacier tongues are slowly retreating every year, so seeing them up close like this is a reminder of just how fragile and powerful nature can be. It's quiet here, no crowds, just the sound of wind and maybe the distant cracking of ice. Honestly, it's moments like these that make this trip unforgettable. It's time to hit the road again, but I'm so glad we stopped here. If you're ever doing this drive, don't rush. These little stops are where the real magic happens. Iceland never stops surprising us. Even though the famous spots get all the attention, look at this. Every random corner here looks like a postcard. Just on this drive alone, we have passed black sand stretches, little hidden waterfalls, rolling green hills, and these dramatic mountains just standing there like they have been guarding the place for centuries. It's unreal. Found one more beautiful spot to stop by. I love how even the smallest spots feel untouched, like they are waiting to be discovered by someone just passing by. Something born out of destruction turns into something this beautiful. This place feels like we have landed on another planet. Elthrain Lava Field. This is actually one of the biggest lava fields in the world, created by a massive volcanic eruption in 1700s. Can you imagine? All of this was once flowing, burning lava, and now it's completely covered in soft green moss. It's such a crazy contrast, fiery destruction underneath, peaceful and quiet on top. Walking here feels magical, like something straight out of the fantasy movie or even a fairy tale. Just look at these endless mossy humps stretching as far as you can see. But don't step on the moss. It's super delicate and takes years to grow back if damaged. So we are just admiring it from the path. We are making one last stop before reaching Reykjavik. Seljalandsfoss is calling us back. Just look at the view. We have been here yesterday, but I swear every time feels different. And today's weather, absolute perfection. Blue skies, warm sun, and that perfect golden light hitting the falls. So before we head back to Reykjavik, we are making a dinner stop here in a little town of Olsvolar, and we have found the perfect spot, Elsto Art Cafe. We ordered lamb soup, fish and chips, and dinner done right. Alright, let's keep moving. Next up, more breathtaking views coming your way. And that wraps up our incredible day exploring the stunning south coast of Iceland. From waterfalls and black sand beaches to glacier lagoons and sparkling eyes at Diamond Beach, every moment has been absolutely breathtaking. Now we are starting our journey back to Reykjavik, carrying with us memories of nature's raw power and beauty. Thank you so much for joining me on this unforgettable journey through Iceland's south coast. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible landscapes with me, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more adventures. Iceland's magic is unlike anywhere else, and I can't wait to share even more with you. Until then, stay curious. Bye from Kitchen Clicks by Mano with love.